Hello, this is Ashkan, and this is my simple electric motor. I'm gonna talk about the physics behind it, and also how I instructed or constructed this simple electric motor. In my motor, I use a AA battery. In this AA battery, I used two paper clips, made it into a hook, and a bar of magnet with my copper wire 28 gauge that was coated in red, and a piece of block wood. I glued the battery to the block of wood and used the paper clips and secured it with electric tape to the battery, and used the bar of magnet, and my choice of wire was 28 gauge wire. As I stated, it was coated with red coating. I had to shave off the red coating about 2.5 centimeters on each end. I probably removed the coating about 1 centimeter on each end. That caused it for it to rotate. Now the physical aspect, or the physics aspect behind this motor, is the motor converts electrical energy, which our source of battery right here is the source, and makes it into the, or converts it into the mechanical energy, is what causes the and the mechanical energy is what causes the rotation of the motor. The size of force determines how fast this motor spins, and we know that the force is directly proportionate to the strength of the magnetic field and the amount of current that goes through the wire, through this loop, and the length of the wire. So any of these three factors could play a role into the force that is exerted on this motor, or how fast this will spin. The only challenge that I have had with this was the wire itself, and I would say the magnet. I use another small magnets here. Didn't really, I guess these are not the correct magnets. Wasn't really turning it like this. And also I would say I had to make sure that the electrical tape was secured enough to these paper clips to have the current run through this paper clip, go through the wire, and come back. Overall, it was a very simple, interesting project. I really enjoyed making it. Even though, the model was out there and searched a lot of YouTube videos, making it was a product, I guess, a joy, you could say. And I enjoyed every second and every minute of it. This is my simple electric motor. It feels like I'm a little kid, just like playing with it. And surprisingly, with this wire, it really has been spinning quite a while. At this wire, not so much. With this there, I tied it enough and used the extra wire to tie it all around this coil, or so to speak. But overall, it was a great success. It was a good physics lab to demonstrate the how this truly works based on the lecture that we have learned. Thank you. This is the end of my lab.